and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back, and thank you so much. I truly appreciate you being here. Here on this channel, you guys, I cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. So if you like any of those things or all of those things, make sure you smash that subscribe button. If you want to ensure that you never miss a video, hit the bell. It will notify you every single time a video is placed on the channel. I am in my same shirt. Yes, I just shot another video in the shirt, you guys, but look, I've got some time, so I'm getting them out, okay? I want to do this. I'm super excited. I am sharing with you today what's in my mini pochette, what I'm carrying in my mini pochette. I'm laughing because it's taking everything in me to not share with you guys, and I feel like I'm hiding something, so I'm just gonna share it. I switched out of the Pochette metis, okay? Let's not judge each other. I switched out of the Pochette metis for 2 days, and I just went back to it. You guys, there's something addicting about this bag, okay? I have not found it out yet. I have not been able to put my finger on it, but I just keep reaching for it. I don't know. Well, I knew we were coming like on vacation somewhat, so I'm like, let me just reach for that bag. But I switched out of another bag and went right back to that bag. I mean, is anybody else experiencing that? What is going on? Oh my God, I'm so embarrassed to even hold it up. It's real. Here she is, Life Snatcher, okay? Life Snatcher. We are not talking about you today though. We will be talking about what I'm carrying in my mini pochette. You have several seats. This is what we will be talking about today. What I'm carrying in my little mini pochette. You guys, and this is another one. I don't know. This is how you know. Let's just chat for a second, okay? Here is my mini pochette. And ever since I got this as well, this is another piece that I have not been able to put down. I absolutely love it. I mean, it has made my life so much easier. And I try my best not to stuff it. I have yet to carry it by itself as just a little bag or just a little clutch. Ooh, that's kind of cute though, huh? Hello? Yes, I'll have a latte, a decaf. Actually, I would never drink decaf. It's like drinking hot water. But yes, I would have a tall, skinny, non-fat, extra hot 192 Splenda, no foam, no whipped cream latte. That's my drink right there. Anyway, can you tell I've already had one of those today? No, seriously, this is a vibe. Any day, every day. It could be 2 a.m. in the morning. I'm gonna wake up and still have this much energy. This is just what it is. It was a great investment. I love when I make a purchase and I utilize it right away, and I get a lot of cost per wear out of it. And between this bag and this pochette and some of my other pieces, I mean, this has been going for probably like, I don't know, I want to say 6 or 7 months. I've just been carrying this. Of course, you see I've been carrying that bag. This has been in it. It's really easy breezy. I put everything in here. I try, like I said, not to overload it. So here it is. You know, I love this buttery zipper here. That's so nice. Comes in and out. I don't know the dimensions or anything like that, you guys, but if you want me to, I can look for them and find them. And then it has this little thing. This is detachable. You know, we can take these on. I mean, there's a ton of videos on this, and you can put it like this, and you can carry it as a wristlet. Ooh, that's cute. You can carry it as a wristlet, carry it in your hand, still have a hand free, answer the phone, take a phone call. Hello, excuse me, are you busy? I have no time to chat with you. So this could be your total vibe right here, like you're on the phone and you're just holding this with one hand, okay? Hello. Okay, done. Demonstration purposes, there was nobody on the phone. So you guys, so you can have that like that, actually put it back like this. It says LV here. I've had it, I want to say probably 6 months. I could be making that up, but I don't believe I am. I will put the original unboxing of this in a card above. Everything is still intact. There's not a whole lot of wear and tear, and I've been using it. Like I said, I've been using it. I've not babied it. Inside here, I have my Chanel blotting strips. Oh my God, look how dirty that is. It's a mess. But my Chanel blotting strips, in case you've never seen one of these before, it has the Chanel little papers in here to blot. You know, I'll always take the moment to get a good blot. You guys, I brought the worst makeup with me ever, okay? I was packing really fast, and I told myself to not do this, but I did. I was packing really, really fast. And I told myself, Sheree, do you have everything? And I'm like, girl, yes, I have everything. She had nothing, okay? I had nothing. I have this frost on my eye. It's a mess. I forgot my contour. I forgot my highlight. I brought my lashes though. I brought my lashes. Thank goodness I brought my glue. Okay, so I brought my glue, and I'll tell you how I had my glue. So I had my glue. What else did I forget? I brought this one lippy, which I'm not loving, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, because I have a backup with me, and this is where the Pochette Matisse came into hand. And so anyways, back to this. So I have this in there, you guys. Yes, I'm just saying, when you go somewhere, make sure you pack your makeup with you. Know that you have your makeup. I've got my Buxom lip in here. This is a good favorite one here. Looks like this. That's a nice one. And how did I get the eyelashes on? Because I have my Callus eyelash glue. I buy 2 at a time, one for my handbag and one for my beauty room. So this one is this here. I don't know, oh my god, it's all wiped off. It's called Callus, so there's no need to show you guys because it's all came off. You guys, this is the best eyelash glue ever. I put it on my Insta stories a couple of days ago and put thank me later on there. This will keep the eyelashes on, and when you take it off, the thing that I really like about it is that when you remove your eyelashes, you don't take off your real eyelashes with it. I don't know how you remove yours. I just put a little bit of Clinique makeup remover on, let it sit for a little bit with the Q-tip, just rub it on, let it sit for about 2 minutes, and then they just peel right off. Easy breezy. Once I found this eyelash glue, I have not looked for any other one, and I've probably been using it for almost a year now, and I absolutely love it. So Callus eyelash glue, you can find this on Amazon, and it's very reasonably priced. Second thing I have in here, or third, fourth, I don't even know which number we're on, you guys. This is a ColourPop lip pencil here. This is in the color BFF3. I'm wearing it today. We're not doing this again, Trey. We're not. I know. We're not. This is it. You see that? We have it in the color BFF3. Really nice. It's good for new lips. It's kind of a, I should swatch it so you guys could see it. You know how swatches go. We don't have time for that today, but let's just take a look at it. You see that? Oh, but that's really pretty, isn't it? Can you see that a little bit? That's what that color looks like, BFF3. It's really, really pretty. Okay, so that's what BFF3 looks like. I do have my Penelope Pink lipstick in here. I shared this with you guys on my favorites. This is an amazing one. I absolutely love it. It is not like the Kim K one. You don't have to worry about looking like a powdered donut. However, you don't want to do too much because you can look very washed out, you know what I mean? It just makes my face look like blah. There's no definition. That's why I use the lip liner to give a little bit of face there. This is my favorite one. This is Pillow Plump. This is by Soap and Glory. It is Sexy Mother Pucker, and I have used this too, okay? Hello? Can somebody send me one for Christmas? This is it, Pillow Pump by Soap and Glory. It's gone, okay? Hello? It's gone. She needs another one. It's gone. It's gone, but I have used this to the max. It is my favorite lippy. I've got some Rolaids in here. Because sometimes you never know, you know, when your stomach's just going to start hurting. You knew you shouldn't have ate that, but you ate it anyway, even though that you know your body doesn't do well with that. Sometimes that kind of things happen in life, and I'll carry just a couple little Rolaids in there. This is sad. I have a hair tie, okay, because very often times it's hot, and she will say it's over. This looks a mess. Not today. Okay, leave it. I'm not getting my hair done, you guys, until Mother's Day, okay? So this is what it is. This is the look. This is the vibe. This is real life. I don't put heat on it. Remember we had that talk about putting heat on my hair? I don't. I get that Eco. Remember I was sharing the Eco with you guys? Eco, whatever. And I just slick the little edges down right here, and I keep it going. I may flip some curls here at the bottom, really, but not really. I just try and keep the heat off of the top part, because that's where I was having the breakage. So I've been doing really good with that. I get it done this weekend for Mother's Day. So I don't know when you'll see this video, before or after, in between sometime, but it'll be done. And then this is sad because these are how many fragrances I have in here, okay? This makes no sense at all, but I have about 12 or 11 fragrances in here. Hold on a second. Oh, almost fell. Okay, so I have all these fragrances in here. Makes no sense at all, but I do. They are always in there because you never know when you're gonna need to go to the ladies' room and freshen your body or come out smelling fresher. So in here I have one by Sephora, which I have no idea what it is, but it's all gone. This is Burberry, my Burberry. That smells really good. I don't think it's good for right now though. I would not spray it for right, I would not wear it for right now. Actually, yes, it's really good. Oh, what am I thinking of? Burberry, my Burberry. This is really good. Oh, that's why it's in there. I like this. So if you guys are in need of a one, it's a perfume. My Burberry Black smells really good. Okay, all right then. And then another one would be, oh, this is Sycamore by Chanel. I told you guys about this one in the last one. I really like this. This is probably gonna make my top 10 for Chanel fragrances coming up on the channel soon. And then I have Tom Ford Extreme. I love that. It's heavy for right now. I wouldn't necessarily wear it unless it was at nighttime and it was kind of a cool breeze. Other than that, I find it to be too heavy, but I have that in there for those nights that I come out and we're on date night and I come out of the ladies' room and I've powdered my nose and, you know, packed my under eyes, and I come out and I put a whiff of that on. My husband's always like, what are you wearing? Thank you. So that's a good one. Just sharing, just sharing. This is, I don't even know. Oh, this is good. This is at Tiffany's. This is Tiffany's. Tiffany's, oh my God, Sheer. Tiffany Sheer. I have a whole video on that on the channel as well. And this smells really, really good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. This is like my everyday scent. So this is like you went out, you've had lunch, you've had brunch, you've come out, and you just want to come out smelling a little fresh, you know what I mean? You walk over to the table, somebody looks at you, oh my gosh, you smell amazing. Well, thank you. You know, it's one of those. All right, you guys, that is it. Really quick, easy, and breezy. I don't know how quick it was, okay, because you know she likes to talk, but it has been real. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Like I said, on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. So if you like any of those things or all of those things, make sure you smash the subscribe button. I appreciate you being here, and until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. If you see this shirt a third time, just know that I had more time and I was able to get on another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.